Stay just like that. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wrinkles in your forehead. It looks like more. That's why I had to recount.
So let me go ahead and record this now. All right, guys. All right. Me, or whatever my purpose is for these recordings, we are 4 or 5 hours out from our flight, and then we'll be in the sky. Look at this bougie ass target. Look at this. Look at this. Bougie. Nice ass target. I gotta find Bree. Oh, there she go. Oh, oh. See this target?
This is my only competition. You bitches could never.
Hey, that jerks be competing like hell too.
Okay.
We're at Italy, guys. We're going to eat before we go to the office.
Pasta.
We just been. Yes.
Do you want the soup or the salad? I'm actually Italian.
Really?
The more you know.
Oh, wow.
Fresh mozzarella. Fresh.
Hello.
How's it going?
It's going good.
Awesome.
Oh, wow.
Ooh. And she gave us the spoons and we didn't use it. Still eating my pasta. 10 out of 10.
Just to give you guys an update, we only have
T-minus 20 minutes.
yes, but we're running on like an hour or 2 of sleep. That was our real first meal.
Life is great. Come to Chicago.
Look at this.
Jim is gone. I miss him so much. I crap myself. False. I do not miss Jim.
All right, guys, we are now going into the Winder Museum. We just got out the lift. Shout out to Scott, by the way. He was a great guy. So yes, let's go do this, honey. See how the universe works?
Just run in a square.
Still your best, when you wanna come back. I lay you back on your back and do it just like that. Miss the way that I grab. Your body knows me best, still your best. I don't want your heart, feeling this feel. I don't want you back, just wanna let you know.
Alright guys, so we just left the museum now. It was freaking amazing. Now everybody please go. You'll have fun, go with a group, go with your girl, go by your damn self if you need to. Now we are going to get some more food, because once we get this damn food, hey, we might not see y'all till tomorrow. All right, guys. Yes, I have shades on. Yes, I do. Now, we just got dropped off in front of the museum. They were going to the MCA. We're walking to get something to eat. This Cuban place. Do you remember what it's called? If not, I mean, we're going to show you anyway. Guys, we are now here at Millennium Park, I think. Yeah, and there's some people in front of us smoking cigars.
Oh my God, I'm so bad. Look at my Chicago mask.
Yeah, show it all, show it all. On a baddie too? Oh, bro. Yeah, we're about to go look at a beam, maybe flick it. Or I mean, flick up there. Spot. Alright guys, we're back again for our third day out here. Yesterday we did a couple experiences. We went on a boat ride throughout the city, as you guys saw. We also had deep dish pizza for the first time. And my whole life I thought it would be but it was actually pretty good.
10 out of 10.
But we had ate some other stuff as well, so we knew we wasn't gonna kill that pizza, so we gave it to some people in need. And once we did that, came back home, and now we're gonna get breakfast today. Boo. All right, guys. So we're looking up cafes now. We just left the Womanish exhibit, and yeah. So this bad boy. Hello, guys. All right. So after dinner last night, went home and watched about, I guess, an entire season of Insecure, and now we're at the zoo. All right, guys, we are now about to leave, head back to the airport. Our lift is on the way. I'm sick of lifts. After this, I don't ever want to take a lift again. I guess we'll be getting on the plane now. So we'll see you guys at the airport and then back at home.